Hello student, welcome to online classes. I am Sajid from Jingle Wells School Rajendra branch. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for your fantastic result of previous class and welcome to the new academic session. Dear students, as we all are aware, the present condition which we are facing is very challenging. We all are fighting against coronavirus. I would suggest you to keep distance from others and stay at home so that you can protect yourselves and others as well. Due to lockdowns, schools are closed, so we have started online classes for you. You are required to convert this lockdown period into learning session at home. Dear students, we regularly with online classes, watch every video and complete all worksheet on times given by the teachers. I also would like to request all the parents to cooperate with children. All the students must have a notebook and a pen or pencil with themselves while watching video. Today I will teach you GK class 4th chapter 1st. This is your GK book. The name of book is Junior Knowledge. Right, this is very interesting and very knowledgeable book, and definitely you will enjoy during your academic. And the first chapter here is your contents, and the first chapter is flowering trees. Right, now the first question: these trees have a beautiful flowers, can you name them? Right, so you have to write the name of these trees. So dear student, you have seen many flowers and you will be aware about the name of these. In this exercise, you have to identify and write the name of these trees. Right, the little information is given about every tree. This is also very important, and the A part. Flame tree are named after their fiery blossom, or these are flowers of a flame tree called gulmohar. That is your answer. And the B one is, these are flowers of the golden shower tree. This tree is also called amaltas. Now the C one, these are flowers of the jaru tree, often called the pride of India. Another name for it is Queen's crab martin. Now the moving next, D part. These flowers are used to make colors for the holy festival. They grow on a flame tree called the palash. E1. The fruit from these flowers give us a fiber like cotton with which we stuff plough. They grow on the silk cotton tree. That clear? Now, fifth one, these flame tree flowers are called pichkari as the birds squirt water when squeezed. They grow on the African tulip tree. Right? Now, I will show you the picture of these tree also. Now the first one is amaltas, and second is Queen's crab myrtle. Third one is silk cotton tree, and the fourth one African tulip tree, and fifth one is palash tree, and sixth one is gulmohar tree. Is that clear? Now moving towards next question. Now the second question is, which of these flowers grow on tree? Now beta, you have to tick on those which grow on tree. So before going forward, we have to know something. What is the herbs, shrubs and trees? So herbs Any plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. And shrubs, some plants develop branches near the base of a stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. That is shrubs. And about tree, some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem. This is tree. Is that clear? Now moving, and the second question, beta, A part, coral jasmine. Do you know about coral jasmine? The height of the coral jasmine tree is up to 30 feet and it is very tall. It means it is tree, not herbs, not shrubs. And B1, crepe jasmine. You know, the height of the crepe jasmine plant is around 4 to 8 or 4 to 7 feet. It means it is not tree, it is shrub. That clear? Now the next one is plumeria. The height of the plumeria plant is around 25 to 30 feet. So that is also tree. That clear? It is also your answer. Now the D1 is Mexican oleander. The Mexican oleander, the height of this tree is around 8 to 15 feet, right? So your answer are A, C and D. Now I will show you these herbs, shrubs and tree also. All these are tree, right? And you can see here all are very tall and the stems are very hard and thick, right? And the second one is that is shrubs. Okay, all are shrubs. And the next one is this is herbs. Is that clear? I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next video we will discuss about the next chapter. Otherwise, okay, in the next video we will meet. Thank you. Thanks a lot.